friends, welcome to the channel, and today we will be making chicken biryani. To start off, we will set the flame to medium setting and pour 1 cup of oil. Next we add 4 medium-sized sliced onions. Stir to golden brown. Now add 1 kilogram of chicken. Now we will stir the chicken till the color changes to white. Dear friends, now we add 1 packet of Biryani Masala. Please stir and fry for 3 minutes. Add 250 milliliters of yogurt. Stir for 4 minutes now for an even mixture. Add 2 green chilies. These will not only add to the flavor but will give a wonderful aroma. Stir in all directions so the green chili flavor is added to the masala. Now add 4 chopped tomatoes. At this stage, we will stir and fry for 5 minutes. Now place the lid on the pot and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Here we add 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander. Here we will be stirring in all directions for an even mixture. Please cook till the oil separates from the masala. This masala is ready for the biryani now. Wash 3 cups of rice and soak them for 30 minutes. Pour 3 liters of water and bring it to boil. Add 3 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of zira, 1 Star Anise, 1 Black Cardamom, and 3 Cloves. Now add a bay leaf, 2 tablespoons fresh coriander, 4 tablespoons of oil, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Now place the lid till the water boils. Please add the soaked rice into the boiling water. Please stir for an even distribution of rice in the pot. Please cook the rice to 80% and drain the water. Heat the chicken biryani masala at medium flame and sprinkle coriander. At this stage, we will add cooked rice on the top of the masala. Add quarter teaspoon food color mixed in 2 tablespoons of milk. Garnish with fresh coriander and lemon slices. Place the lid for 20 minutes at low flame. Place a cooking cover underneath the pot. Gently mix the rice and chicken biryani masala.